This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Miele dishwasher that's kind of rocking around inside the cabinet. It's not really well secured. So we're going to correct that by removing this bottom kick plate, which is below the dishwasher door. That's going to allow us to do some adjustments to the feet or legs that are holding up the dishwasher. So there's two in the front and two in the back. And the front ones you can turn pretty easily just with a standard head screwdriver. Fits into a slot and you can turn it right or left to adjust the feet. And then the one on the back, there's a really clever adjustment tool where we use a Torx 15 driver to turn a little screw, and that actually turns the feet in the back. So this dishwasher was kind of misaligned. I pulled it out further toward the front, and then I'm bringing up the back feet on the right side by spinning this one screw clockwise or to the right, and that's going to bring the feet further down, which lifts the back of the dishwasher. And I'll do the same thing here on the left side. And then the feet in the front, those are just manipulated by putting a standard head screwdriver in a slot on the feet and then turning the feet either right or left. If you turn it to your left side, it's going to raise up the dishwasher. If you turn it to your right side, it's going to lower it. So you want to get it nice and level. The dishwasher will operate best if it's nice and level. On this one too, I want to pull it forward a little bit so that it's even with the cabinetry, so that it looks nice, so it functions nice and looks nice. There's a little screw here on the side that was misaligned, so I'm just going to push that out, and that's going to be used to go into the wood of the cabinetry to lock the dishwasher into place. That's a little hole that screw goes through. So I'm pushing the dishwasher back, making sure it's level with the front, and then I'll go ahead and put that screw in position and just tighten it up. And that'll either be a Phillips head screw or a Torx 15, which is a little more common with the Miele. There's the screw here on left of the screen, upper left, just driving that in, and that locks the metal of the dishwasher into the wood of the cabinet. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right side. You can also do this going up from the top of the dishwasher up into the top of a cabinet. Sometimes though, the countertop will be made of marble or some type of stone, so you're really only left with wood available on the sides, and that's when this method works really well. And Miele allows you to do both types of locking installations, where you can go to the sides into the wood, or you can go up into maybe a wooden cabinet top. But again, this one we only had the opportunity to go to the side, but it works well. And then on many of the models, after you put these screws in, there's a little plastic cover piece that you can pop in there too. It's not necessary, but it just looks nice. So that locked it in really good, and now this dishwasher will be level, and there's no chance that it's going to fall out toward a person when it's full of dishes when the door is open. So I hope this helps you with your Miele also. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance so we can send you more Miele repair videos. Thanks again.